Number 69, Over the Ocean. We're incorporating a whole bunch of things that we've been working on. We're in G major, so we have that low 2 on the A string and the E string. We have a fermata, we have a ritardando, we have an a tempo, we have all of these swung notes, and we also have that staccato, and we have a tie at the end. So a whole lot of stuff is going on. We're starting off with our da and 3, 1, 2, 3. We're in 3, 4, 3 beats in a measure. So let's pluck through it first. 1, ready, go. G, G. Oh, sorry, let's feel that. Ready, go. G, 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 A, B, C, natural. 1, 2, 3, D. Low 2. B, G. F sharp. F, E, F, G, 2, 3, B, 2, 3, open A. A, B, A, D, 2, 3. C sharp, C natural, a tempo. 1, 2, 3, D, 2, C natural. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, F sharp. G, open D. 3 on the G string. C, 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 B, A, G, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's how long your bow is going to have to last. So we're coming in for that. Let's do that last line. Ready, go. G, 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 B, A. Super slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 3 plus 3 is 6. And we have that ritardando. So it might be a little bit longer than that 6 beats. Elongated 6 beats. All right, let's do it with that bow. Watch my cue for the fermata and the ritardando. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, go. Low 2. And I already flubbed it. Let's start again. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, low 2. 2, 3, 2, 3. B. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Low 2.